Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel. Today we are at Sherwood Pines doing a bit of training, and I thought I'd also walk you through some of the kit that I wear, give you my opinion on it, see what you think. Let's crack on. So as I said, we're at Sherwood Pines today doing a bit of training. I've entered myself into a cross-country race. Not really the natural environment for a fat hairy mountain biker, but what the hell, let's give it a go anyway. So let me walk you through a bit of the kit I wear and give you my thoughts on it. We'll start with the helmets. So this is my half nut helmet. It's the Endura Single Track 2. It comes with two different linings. This is the open lining. The other lining has like fly mesh to stop any flies getting in. It's got loads of adjustment. I don't know if you can see there, up and down at the back, side to side movement, straps adjustable, the rear's adjustable. It's a really comfortable helmet. The peak moves up and down. It's a really comfortable helmet, gives you loads of airflow through, keeps you cool. It's got a little mount on top for your GoPro. Really good helmet. The kids got me this for Christmas, I think it was, or was it my birthday? Christmas. And it is an absolute great bit of kit. Hasn't got any of that new funky snips or whatever they call it, but it offers a good amount of protection, which is what you want. And my full face helmet is this 7 IDP in this awesome green color. Now this doesn't come with any adjustment apart from the strap, but it is super comfortable. This is a size large. Now with the sizing on this, I tried quite a few on, and a size medium is what I would normally wear, but all the mediums was really tight, and this was only available online, so I went for a large, and it's actually a little bit too big. This is a 59 to 61 centimeter helmet, and I'm a 58 centimeter head. But if I put one of my masks on around my head, it not only does it help with the sweating, but the helmet fits good anyway. So better off, if you're buying an helmet, try and go to your local bike shop and try some on so you get the right size, because like me, you might end up with something a little bit too big, but it does the job. It fits fine with my little mask on, so we're all good. Let's move on to some of the other protection that I wear. So this is my knee pads. They are a Troy-Lee T-bone. They're somewhere between a downhill knee pad and a cross-country knee pad. They're quite light. They're not hard. It is a sponge kind of protection, but they do offer a massive amount of protection. And I wore them for the whole Enduro event last week, and they was pretty comfortable. Again, the only thing with this, I bought size medium to large, going off the chart on the internet, and I could have done with the next size up. They do fit, but I'm right on the edge of the straps. So again, go to your bike shop, try a set on, make sure you get the right size. But they are good. They're not too heavy. Really flexible, plenty of air holes, good set of knee pads. Right, elbow protection. At the moment, I've just got a set of these really cheap eBay specials, like a spongy elbow pad that just, it's a sleeve, so it just slips over. There's no fastenings on it, and they do fall down. But after Sammy's accident with his elbow, I do need to invest in some decent elbow pads, so I'm on the lookout for a decent set. I'll let you know what I find. Right, so on to gloves. I use a set of these really lightweight Endura gloves. Loads of grip, so if you get sweaty palms, you've still got plenty of grip, but on the top they're really thin and let all the air flow through. So for summer, these are really good. Endura. And last but not least, footwear. Now I use flat pedals, so I'm using at the moment these Northwave shoes. They're not waterproof, but they are comfortable. They've got a really good grippy Michelin sole, so it grips to your pedals really well. And they've got a little thing on the tongue, let me show you the other one, where you can tuck your laces in so you don't get it caught up anywhere. So yeah, Northwave shoes, they're quite good. Yeah, I like them. Comfort is the main thing when you're going to be riding quite long periods. So these are Northwave Tribe. I really like the colour. Right, so today we're on the Norco. I've swapped the tyres to some 2.2 Continentals from the 2.6s for a bit more ease, less friction. This is not really a cross-country machine, but it's what I've got, so let's go with it. Right, let's crack on the red route. Right, let's go. The turn. The rocky section. That was hard work. Did the red route, Sherwood Pines, 51 minutes, 58 seconds. I don't know if that's any good or not. Put it in the comments, tell me what you do it in. See if I need to improve or not. But I'm refueling now with some double chocolate chip cookies. Right, so I've just checked the temperature. And apparently it's 1,000 degrees and it's the hottest day ever recorded in history. So I've decided to take the e-bike out. Don't think I've got any energy left for the acoustic machine. So we'll have a little compare, see how quick I can go around on the Ebe compared to the normally aspirated. So let's crack on with that. Alright, let's go. E-bike it. Right, so the e-bike, Red Route, Sherwood Pines, 36 minutes. That is like 16 minutes quicker than the acoustic bike. That's mental. And I was really pushing on my normal bike, but the old Bergamont, she's a beast. Right, I think I'm gonna go for a blast on the downhill section now, if I've got any energy left, because I am shattered. It is like melting weather, 152,000 degrees out here. Right, let's go do some downhill. Downhill zone. Right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this one, coming at you from Sherwood Pines. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll sort something out about this beard shaving for charity, and I'll let you know more in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Laters.